Hi, I'm Mahua,
Hi, this is Arushi.
and you're watching our channel Heal Yourself with Arushi and Mahua. So, today we are going to talk about one more aspect of decluttering. And this time Arushi is going to tell you very specifically about certain things that we should always do while decluttering this particular area. Anybody can guess about it? Yes, your purse. So, your purse is a place where you keep everything which is important to you. आप उसको ऑफिस ले जाते हो और उसके अंदर आपका हर चीज होता है, मेकअप से लेके, बिल्स से लेके, पर्स से लेके, आई मीन छोटा वॉलेट से लेके, एवरीथिंग, पेन्स है, पेपर्स है, डायरी है, सब कुछ उसके अंदर है. बट हाउ टू ऑर्गेनाइज दैट पर्स, and what should you keep in the purse and what should not be there in the purse, that Arushi will describe.
So here I'll be talking about the men's wallet as well as women purse. So it is a very important thing because that is what we keep with ourselves every day. So decluttering it is very important because there's a lot of energy that is there in your purse and wallet. So foremost thing, don't keep any bills in your purse or a wallet. Whatever bill is required, please keep it in your bill book or a bill file, and either you throw it away. Second, whatever coins do you have, always keep it in the coin pocket or always keep it in the coin purse. You should never keep your coin in just a scattered way. They should not be clinging all the time, right? The third thing, whatever is in your wallet or a purse, you should always keep a check of it. You should always clean it once in a week so that anything that is not required anymore, any kind of a paper or a document or any pen which is not working, that should also be not there in your purse or a wallet. Anything else you want to mention here, Moha?
So basically it is like आपको हर रोज उसको देखना है, इस स्थिति में उसको रखना है अपने पर्स को कि आपको पता हो कि उसमें क्या है, और जब कुछ चाहिए तब आप वहीं आप हाथ डालो और निकाल लो. तो बस इतना करना है. अब उसके लिए जो भी क्रिएटिविटी आप अपने पर्स के साथ कर सकते हो वो आप कर सकते हो.
And do let us know how you keep your wallet and purse declutter. We will really love your ideas about it, and they might help us as well and others as well. So if you have any topic that you want us to talk about in decluttering as well, you're most welcome. You can connect to us, and we will definitely cover that. And keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep watching, and keep liking, guys.
Okay, bye bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.